Hello everyone. It is deathly cold outside. At least for us it is here. I think it's like -1 or something like that. I think my automatic coupe door has finally decided that it is done doing its job. Is it too cold for the brushless? 'Cause that's what This guy smells gross too. Okay. Anyways, maybe we'll bring that inside and figure out what's going on with that. I made a video on this. Was it like a couple of years ago, maybe? The Maticoopx automatic chicken door. I've had really good luck with it for about 2 years now, and my birds are unhappy because they can't get out. And we're gonna just take the door off, and then we'll bring it inside and see what's going on. Oh gosh, it's cold. Morning, Tina. All right. It really is cold. All right. Sorry about the noise. If you can hear it, I've got multiple prints going on in the background. But what I think happened is the gear for the coupe door stripped out. I don't think there's anything else wrong with it. I think it's just so darn cold outside. But we will see. I thought that this gear would be trashed. Do you think it could just be that our batteries are just donezo? There's no need for me to take this apart any further. This thing's really simple. You got a little control board, a motor, and that's it. But is the motor locked? Let's put batteries in it before I start doing anything else. I'll be back when I find some batteries. Okay. These are probably the absolute worst batteries you could use. These are some cheapo Harbor Freight batteries that I got a while ago. But let's see. It's probably gonna just keep on going and going and going until, all right. I knew that I took out way too many bolts. Those were just to hold the plastic on. I've got most of them. I'll be able to put it back together. So if you have this chicken door and you are having issues with it, I don't know if you'll see it. if your chickens are like mine, when they're in the coop and they dig around, they can get stuff in this crack down here at the bottom. And if the door can't close all the way, it will register an error and just kind of shut down. So make sure I use like a dental pick, and I'll just pick it out every couple days. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but they'll dig around in the coop and it will fill in, this little crack here. Mine's pretty dirty as is right now. I would do this in the garage, but my garage isn't heated and it is unbelievably cold outside right now, so we're gonna vacuum down here later. Anyways, okay. All right. Assembly time. Chicken door stopper. Just laying it out here, you can see the function of the door. It goes on this channel. There's these little nubs here that stop. I don't think anything you can really buy is truly like set it and forget it. This included for sure. I don't know. I have been very happy with mine so far. Like I said, I purchased it. Let me look on Amazon. I got it from Amazon, Okay. So I have owned this for 587 days. So is that almost a year and a half? What is? Well, that was really stupid. Sometimes I am just really dumb. What is the current time? It is not 1. Yeah. Put the batteries in. Set the current time. As far as I know, you can only do this in military or 24-hour time. Yeah, it does look a little weak, doesn't it? Let's see how it closes. It could just be that I was, it hadn't aligned itself maybe. Okay. Yeah, it does seem like it's like skipping a gear in there. I wonder if that's because we're not really, tight against anything. What was past me thinking? Goodness, it is. Everything is frozen. Probably doesn't look cold, but it is. It is cold out here, guys. Hey, it may be skipping, but it's working. I don't know. It still works. Okay. So, a year and a half into ownership, and it's still working. Just need to clean out that groove every once in a while and make sure you've got good batteries in there. Yeah, pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. I think when I bought it, it had a coupon with it, so it was like $70 some, but I saw that it is online right now for like $60. I already ordered a replacement, and I'll just keep it on hand just in case, because we've gotten spoiled. We really like that, the luxury of having the chickens able to get in and out themselves. So anyways, I guess we do not a maintenance fix video, but look at that hat head. But a long-term ownership video. So I've had it for a year and a half now, 1 year, 6 months, and it's doing a pretty good job. So if you see it on Amazon and you're worried about it, and you do like I do, and you're like, I want to buy this, maybe I will check out the YouTube to see if anyone has actually bought it and made sure it's not crap. So it's not 100% crap. It actually works fairly well, and yeah, okay, we'll see you guys later.